It's a bit dramatic.
Ajoyiba, restavrator maxsus suyuqlik yordamida san'at asarini asl holatiga qaytaryapti.
Gosh, that's amazing. That's really good. It's as pristine as it gets, really, isn't it? Yeah.